Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to talk a little bit about Windows 11 and as we're going through 2022. One of the things that I often get asked is when I think of Windows 11 as time progresses. We are still in the first version pretty much. We did have a few little things pop up here and there, but overall, there isn't that much new for regular folks. For the insiders in the dev channel, well, there are things that are changing. We know that there's something coming up calling stickers, which could be applied to your screen, which is kind of an interesting concept. There are and there have been some changes on 22563, for example. Some of the changes have to do with the tablet mode being optimized with the taskbar. They're playing around with, of course, the widgets that are going to be more streamlined and a little more dynamic in the way that they look rather than looking like cards that are kind of here and there. They're going to be following a certain size that makes them pretty much all equal and look better actually than the original. Now, of course, there are things coming. We know that third-party widgets, a lot of people are asking that, will that ever happen? It's supposed to happen at some point. Third-party widgets means that anyone would be able to program a widget that could be added here through the Microsoft Store. That is apparently a thing. For those that are wondering about, of course, the drag and drop and, the pin to the taskbar options, that's also coming. So Windows 11 is taking shape as an operating system that will have a lot of its features. Now, one of the interesting things that we've noticed is, of course, we talk about the Feedback Hub. Feedback Hub is where people complain or ask for features and want to have people have Microsoft change things or do things a little better. And what we've seen in the past few builds is that Microsoft seems to be listening to users a lot more right now. A lot of the features that are bringing that they are bringing to Windows 11 are actually features that people are asking for. It's not yet complete, and there's still a lot of people, kind of going a little nuts, saying, "Hey, look, this feature I want, and that feature I want," and it's not there. But give it time. I think what we'll have when we get to the end of 2022, when we get that first major update of Windows 11, is a lot of what people ask are going to be in there to make sure Windows 11 is much more optimized to what users want. And this is interesting, and it seems to be what's coming up as the new features are being added over time. One thing about build 22563, and it's not just this build, the last few builds, I find that the File Explorer is very sluggish. It seems to really not, work as fast. And what happens is as I use it and as I go to the different options, we could see that there's kind of a sluggishness in the way that it wants to show the files and the different folders. I find that a little annoying, I've got to say. I hope that this is going to get better because it's really, really annoying to see the File Explorer so sluggish right now. But that's dev only. On the regular versions of Windows, we're not, it's working okay. Maybe not to the max or the best of what it could be, but it's still working. So, we are moving ahead in Windows 11, and I think slowly they are bringing back a lot of the things that people want, and that is the important thing to Windows 11. If we want to have Windows 11 be a success, if they want to have that as a success, it has to do what people want. And I think they're on the right track right now, listening to what users want. This is refreshing because it didn't seem that way for a while, but now it seems they're kind of refocusing on users and what user content and what users want for Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.